My guest is Gruff Rhys, founding member of the Welsh group Super Furry Animals. Welcome, Gruff.
Hello, how's it going?
Good. Well, you're in town to find an ancestor of yours named John Evans. Tell us a little about him.
Yeah, well, John Evans, he came from an impoverished background in Wales, but somehow found the courage to come to America to look for a lost tribe of Welsh-speaking Native American people.
This young man came from a place where they have a very strange-looking animal on their flag. To leave his home, travel halfway across the world on a ship that wasn't near as good as what we have today for sailing the seas. To travel across America, where it takes us a few days to drive, it took him months to walk. For him to face the animals and the adversity that he had to face in those days was very, very great. But his spirit was strong. His spirit guided him. He was following a mythical person. Was he real? John Evans thought so. Who knows?
I Grombil Cyfandir Pell.